Today, we focus on honey color mother of the bride dresses, a warm golden shade that flatters many skin tones and feels timeless on camera. This color glows softly under daylight, candles, and evening lights. It bridges classic style and modern taste without stealing attention from the bride. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Honey sits between beige and gold, gives warmth without heavy shine. Pick it if the wedding palette uses ivory, champagne, rust, terracotta, sage, or navy. It flatters warm, neutral, and olive skin. Cool skin can use honey with soft pink makeup and silver jewelry. Test under daylight and indoor lights. Hold fabric near your face. Choose fabric by season and movement. Chiffon drapes softly and breathes well. Crepe gives structure without bulk. Satin reads formal and smooth on camera. Lace adds texture. Use a solid slip to avoid show-through. Mikado holds shape for sculpted lines. Tulle softens skirts without weight. For summer, pick lightweight weaves. For winter, add sleeves or a wrap. Select a silhouette that supports comfort and posture all day. A-line flatters most bodies and moves easily. Sheath lines look sleek under jackets. Fit and flare shapes the waist without tight hips. Wrap styles allow easy adjustability before meals and photos. T-length works for daytime gardens. Floor length suits evening halls. honey with warm metals for cohesion. Yellow gold blends best. Rose gold softens. Silver cools the look. Pearls add classic lightness. Shoes in nude, champagne, or bronze keep lines long. Choose a small clutch. Avoid large bags. Add a thin belt only if fabric is plain. Shawls in cream, cocoa, or soft blush support the palette. Honey color delivers warmth, grace, and calm focus beside the bride. Lock your plan. Color harmony, fabric weight, secure fit, controlled shine, and steady grooming. Keep movement easy, posture tall, and details quiet. Your presence supports the day. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.